Alright guys, this is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere en route to Pune, India from Mumbai. Whoa, what is happening here?
Man, we are traveling in the middle of the night. What is it, like 4:18 in the morning?
4:18 in the morning, and we're driving from Mumbai all the way to Pune. It's a 2.5 hour drive.
Yeah.
It's probably the fastest way to get here because if you go to the airport, you have to be there like an hour and a half early.
Yeah.
They have an hour flight. Same thing.
Oh, exactly. Then from the airport you land and you still have to get into town. So.
Yeah, and the earliest flight to Pune was at 6:30, so I thought this was gonna be the best thing, so we can get there early.
Yeah.
And
I think we're probably gonna be able to have breakfast.
Yeah, I mean, I need some chai right now.
Yeah, chai. Definitely chai.
So we stopped here basically halfway to Pune to get some chai. If you guys don't know what chai is, that is Indian tea. They make it with milk. Then they also put some ginger. And here, a lot of people just left theirs right here on the table. And I think it was, how much was it? Sam, how much was it? 72 rupees for the chai?
It's basically $1 US for 3 chai. It's not bad value, man.
My driver's tired.
Yeah.
What time is it, my friend?
Okay.
4 a.m.
Are you tired?
It's 4:20 in the morning or 4:30 in the morning. It's too hot, you're saying.
It's too hot? Oh yeah.
That's cool. So the one thing about chai you have to know is they always serve it like boiling hot, so you have to like sip it slowly. Oh, too hot. My friend, too hot. Oh. So what do you think about that?
It's really good, but like you said, it's a bit too hot to handle at the moment. You really taste that spice though, it's so good, man. And the milkiness, I love it.
Yeah, the ginger, man.
Ginger, yeah. Perfect thing to be having at what, like 4 in the morning?
I mean, the good thing is that it's not too much caffeine here.
Just enough to keep us here, power us through.
And just know that when you come to India, you're gonna drink chai. You're not gonna drink almost any coffee. But this is amazing. It's almost like a café con leche.
Exactly. And this is like, when I traveled by train in India, this is like what I was subsisting off of, man. I was just having chai after chai. The chai while I go, chai. I'm like, yes. We actually, it was so funny, there's one time we had a stack. I think we had like 15 or 17 chais between my whole family.
Oh my
hilarious.
Well, here goes, incredible India. Here we go. We're starting it off right.
We sure are, man. This is awesome.
The car's comfortable.
It really is. Air conditioned, lots of space, lots of legroom. We can totally conk. I don't know why we haven't, to be honest.
Oh, we haven't crashed?
Yeah.
I think it's because the thing is we haven't seen each other in 4 years, dude. So yeah, we're catching up.
We're catching up big time.
Boys trip.
Boys trip. Thinking like we're gonna pass by all these big trucks, and there's like an even bigger cluster up ahead every single time.
What were you saying? We're playing Tetris?
It's like we're playing Tetris, like playing a video game on the road.
I didn't think I'd be this awake, man, but I'm pretty alive right now. What's crazy is that this is not even that far from Mumbai.
No.
At all. No. So this is what we're doing on our 2.5 hour journey, making a video.
Yeah. For you and tip. Came to 4,000 something. I gave a little tip. This driver was awesome. He waited for us. He was like a champion, and he got us here really quick. So I think that was awesome.
So we just arrived in Pune, and we made it here to our Airbnb. Oh my God! 6 in the morning. Oh, food. Okay, so I booked this transfer through a travel agency. I'm gonna put the link in the description. And right now we're gonna go into our Airbnb and check it out. Let's go inside. It's not so heavy, my friend. I know, it's really heavy. It's like 20 kilos.
Is that everything?
That's everything, that's everything. So, we got a pretty amazing Airbnb. I think it was 40 bucks a night. It's a big place. It's on the 4th floor. Woo. Wow. We're in a super nice area in the city. It's like next to a park. Welcome to my Airbnb in Pune. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. We got a terrace. This place is amazing. Let me show you the first room. Woo! This is great. Spacious, colorful. I love the paintings they have here. Here we have a pretty big closet. You can hang enough stuff here. You can put your shoes, socks, underwear. I like it. You can spend a lot of time here. And then the bathroom. standard Indian bathroom.
Totally.
Totally. Now, and you gotta turn on the heater if you want hot water, but we're gonna take cold showers right now because we want to freshen up.
Exactly. We're really like sweating in here.
Yeah, and let's keep going. Let me show you the rest. As you walk in, we have some beautiful photographs of India, women of India, and then over here we have the kitchen. I mean, this place is set up so you can stay here a month, a week, a year, whatever you really want. It's really big, decent kitchen. I mean, this is a lot. Here you make your eggs, and then again, turn on the heater.
Yeah, which we have no idea how to work by the way.
Yeah, I never know. And this is like my my Indian grandfather here. Alright guys, so living room. Over here to the left, we have the dining, big table here. We're actually working out of here right now because we're not gonna really eat here. We're gonna eat on the road or outside all the time. And then over here, we have the living room. This is beautiful. I really love the decor here. Very India, very Maharashtra. Oh, this is so comfortable.
Oh, I know. I'm like sitting on the other chair. Pass out on here, man.
Alright, I keep showing you some more. So then here we have our little library. And this is my room. So I guess they're both the same size, both rooms same size. Have a little desk area here. Have 2 closets, one there, one here. Pretty big. Again, this is made so you can stay here you know, multiple nights or multiple weeks.
It's cool how we both have our own little desks in our rooms.
I know, right? We can really work out of it if we need to.
Totally.
And then here's a bathroom, you know? Yeah, so you definitely have to turn that on. That's a big thing here in India because you have to turn on the heater.
Yeah.
Now let me show you the best part of this apartment. The best part here,
Like, hands down.
hands down, is the terrace. This is so amazing. Look at this, guys.
This terrace is bigger than some apartments I've stayed in.
This is so awesome. Very vintage India style. Oh my god, I'm gonna like pass out right here.
And it's so chill here. Like, there's just like a lot of nature, a lot of like trees. You hear birds.
We also have a bird.
We have a
bird nest.
We have a
right here.
resident bird.
Yeah, right there. Resident
that.
bird. We have a little garden here. And that's our tour of our Pune Airbnb apartment. If you want to check this place out, it's here in the description below. It's in a beautiful area. It's very safe. There's actually a huge park nearby.
Yeah. Super green.
Super
It's
green.
Super spacious.
You can feel the air, you know. A big thing in India is pollution.
Yeah.
And here it's like, oh.
Oh, it's like fresh air, man.
Super fresh.
Love it.
And I hope you guys love this video. If you did, leave me a thumbs up, comment below, subscribe to Sam and Audrey, and Davidsbeenhere, and I'll see you on the next adventure in India. We're going for breakfast right now. Breakfast food tour, let's go.